Oh, I want to change, but I can't. It's always been like that. It takes years to change. Does that sound familiar? If that is you, you are conditioning yourself in a certain way that can make personal change seem really difficult, far away, and even impossible. Your mind wants you to be right, and so it will find all the evidence around you for why you are right and reinforce that belief. Yet, are there ways we can approach personal change differently? And how can it be fast, more easy than you think, effective, and even effortless? Start with believing that change is possible, always. We all tell ourselves stories about who we think we are and why we think we are the way we are. We all tell ourselves stories about other people and who we think they are. Does it make those stories true, though? We are creating our stories from our very personal lens of reality. What's true for us can be very different for other people, and there's nothing wrong with that to begin with. Nowadays, we judge really fast. In seconds, we have already built opinions and create meanings about something or someone, and that's then it. Our mind remains closed up in our little world, and it can feel really stuck in the same old. We don't even consider more options or possibilities any longer. We literally blind ourselves for opportunities and growth. And of course, then we believe we can't change and nothing is going to ever change. Instead of insisting on our stories, we could take a step back and observe more than we are judging others and ourselves. Just observing without any instant judgment. Yes, that easy. And maybe you will find out that the world becomes a more interesting and friendly place even from that position. Give it a go just for a day and notice what is different. How do you experience yourself and others now? Can you see more? Feel different about things? Listen. If you like it, rinse and repeat, and most importantly, enjoy yourself. And let me know in the comments how that works for you. I'm Christine Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, and I help people to let go of anxiety and overwhelm and worrying and restore their happiness. If you like this channel, it would be lovely if you would subscribe, like, and share so more people could benefit. Thank you. Bye for now.